Let's make the kind of holiday breakfast people talk about long after the dishes are done. My Eggnog Stuffed French Toast starts with thick slices of brioche filled with a sweet mascarpone mixture and a layer of cranberry jam for that perfect festive pop. Next, we dip the whole thing in a rich eggnog custard made with real California dairy before browning it in butter until the edges are perfectly crisp and golden. It truly tastes like the holiday season wrapped itself around every bite. Do you want to know why this recipe works so well? The dairy you use matters. Products with the Real California Milk seal are made with real milk from California dairy farm families. They're rich, creamy, sustainably produced, and they take this stuffed French toast from good to unforgettable. So look for the seal when you shop. Make this for your next holiday brunch and watch everyone fall in love with breakfast all over again.